Good afternoon, students. Today we'll discuss about bell desk. I think you all are aware about the bell desk. We have discussed it earlier also. So bell desk is the area in the front office where there are the bell boys and the bell captains who basically handles the luggages, and it is situated in the clear view of the front desk. So and they are the person who will be escorting the guests from the main lobby. Once the guest arrives in the main lobby, main porch, the doorman will inform the bell desk that the guest has arrived. So the bellboy will be there to bring their luggage inside the or escort the guest inside the hotel in the lobby area. So they have a bell captain who's the senior person in the bell desk area, and after that we have the bell boys. So they have a different shifts, like from morning, evening and night shift. So every shift the bell boy has to be there. The functions of the bell boys are: first function is the luggage handling. So they will take care of the guest luggage from the time of arrival till departure, and at the time of arrival they will get the luggage and bring it to the bell desk, and they will keep it in the bell desk, and they will wait for the front office to inform them about the room number assigned to the guest. So once the room number has been assigned to the guest, they will fill up the errand card and they'll mention the room number of the guest, and they will put a luggage tag in the guest luggage, and in the errand card they will mention the how many pieces of luggage are there, and in the luggage tag they will mention the room number of the guest. And some hotels have a policy that while like when the guest arrives and guest have been assigned the room, the GRE, the guest relation executive, will escort the guest to the room, and the bellboys will carry the luggage from the service lift. So hotel have two lifts, one is the guest lift and one is the service lift. So the bellboys will carry the luggage from the service lift and they will wait in front of the guest room, and in the meantime the GRE will escort the guest and will take them to the room. Once the guest arrive in front of the room, the bellboy will open the door and they will carry the luggage inside the room, and they will inform the guest about the amenities available in the room, and what are the stationaries and all in the room are, and what are the telephone numbers, where is the menu and everything. All details will be informed by the bellboys to the guest. So that is the check-in formality. At the time of checkout, when the bellboy is when the guest has informed that he is checking out and his luggage to be bring down, so the bellboy will be there in the guest room to brought down the luggage, and they will carry the luggage down, and at that time they will fill up the departure errand card. So departure errand card they will fill up there. They will mention that whatever luggage they received at the time of check-in, whether the same luggage is going out or some extra luggage is going out. Maybe possible that guest has done some shopping and all, so extra bags have been there. So at the time of checkout, the guest will will be going out of the hotel, and the bellboys will carry the luggage and put it in the guest car. And there are some cases that some guest leaves in the morning to office, and they keep the luggage for the whole day in the bell desk, they come back in the evening, and if they got a flight in the evening, and they come back to the hotel in the evening and carry the luggage from the bell desk. So if that is the case, in that particular case the bellboy has to mention or has to take down all the details from the guest, say his phone number, name, and how many luggages are there. Every details need to be taken from the guest, and they will keep a log note in the logbook. They have to maintain a logbook, so that if the particular bellboy is not available in the evening bellboy knows that whose luggage is there, at what time the person will be there to carry the luggage. So that details need to be mentioned in the logbook. After that, we have the paging. Paging is something if the guest is guest is not in the room, he might be in the swimming pool, or he might be in the lobby lounge, or anywhere in the hotel, or maybe outside in the hotel. So you have there are some masses for the guest, or somebody has called up, or maybe somebody has come to meet him, but you are not able to locate the guest. In that case, the bellboy will be sent by the front desk to locate the guest. And some hotels have a some of them have a some hotels have a this paging board